What is the measure of angle ZXY? The measure of angle ZXY. That's what's going on here. So these are supplementary angles. Maybe I should start with that they're adjacent angles. I'm going to put it over here so we can draw on it. So the way angle measures work, most people know, that a full circle is 360 degrees. Right? That was a full 360. So if I were to do a half circle, so let's start here, make half a circle, and just stop there, that's 180 degrees. It's kind of like, imagine a clock, how much the hand turns. If it does a full circle all the way around, that'd be 360, but if it just does that much, that's 180. So if you see that shape, that's the same as like this. Right? That's 180 degrees. So these two adjacent angles, they're going to add up whatever their angle measures are. We don't know what they are yet, but whatever they are, they need to add up to 180 degrees. So this, recognizing this, it lets you make an equation to solve for x. Because if I can write an equation like 8x plus 7, and you get rid of the parentheses when you're writing this equation. The parentheses are just there to separate the equation from the degree measure. Because this degree is not 8x plus 7, it's whatever 8x plus 7 gives us, once we know the value of x. So this angle plus this angle, so plus 3x plus 8, whatever those numbers are, they'll add up to 180. So now we're going to solve this equation for x. Combine like terms, 8 plus 3 is 11, 11x. And then 7 plus 8 is 15. That gives us 180 still. Now we start eliminating things. Take away the 15 from both sides, leave the constant by itself. Because once it's by itself, we can divide. 11x equals 165. The last step is to divide by the coefficient 11. That tells me that x is equal to, wrong, 165 divided by 11. I'm not going to edit that out. 15. X is 15. And then we have a trap, because option A is 15, but option A is not the answer, because they aren't asking you to solve for x. They're wanting you to tell them the measure of angle ZXY. So the way they name angles, you kind of just follow the letters. Angle ZXY is this angle. This angle is 3x plus 8. 3x plus 8 isn't an option because we need to plug in the answer we just got. If x is 15, then I can turn this into a number by solving 3, not even solving, just evaluating 3 times 15 plus 8. Let's, why is it going away? This is my fault. So 3 times 15 plus 8, that gives us 53. So this angle is 53 degrees. Not that it asks us, but we could figure out the other angle over here by doing 180 minus 53. That means that this angle is 127 degrees. But since they just want this angle measure, that would be our answer, 53